In this video, I will be showing you how to draw a cycle of given radius to touch two given cycles of given centers. The cycle is to include one cycle and exclude the other. To draw a cycle, you are to use your compass to take the required radius from your ruler this way. Then you are to now draw your cycle. After drawing the first cycle to its required radius, label its center. Now you are to mark the point where you will draw the second cycle. If the distance of the center of the two cycles is given, you are to use your ruler to ensure that you mark the right point. Label the point you marked. Now extend your compass to the radius of the second cycle. Then place your compass on point B, that is the point you marked. Then draw your second cycle. Now add the radius of the required cycle and the radius of the first cycle you draw. After that, extend your compass to the value you obtain. Then place your compass on point A. Then cut an arc. Now subtract the radius of the second cycle from the required cycle. Then adjust your compass to the value you obtain. After that, place your compass on point B. Then cut an arc to intersect the previous arc. Label this point. Now place your compass on the point where the arcs intersect, that is point O. Then extend your compass in such a way that your pencil, the pencil of the compass, is touching the circumference of one of the cycles. Then draw your required cycle. If your construction is accurate, the required cycle will touch the two cycles this way. The drawing has been completed. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're having challenge with any of your engineering drawing or technical drawing assignments, you can send the question to the WhatsApp number displayed. I will solve the questions and send a video of the solution to you. It's completely free, it will not cost you a dime.